Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Canva Pro, an incredible design tool that makes creating professional business proposals a breeze. Whether you're pitching to clients or presenting to stakeholders, Canva Pro has everything you need to make a lasting impression. Let's get started. Getting started with Canva Pro. Log into your Canva Pro account or sign up if you haven't already. Search for Business Proposal in the Templates section to access a variety of pre-designed layouts. Customizing your template. Choose a template that aligns with your brand style. Add your company's logo, adjust the color scheme, and upload any relevant images to personalize the design. Canva Pro's Brand Kit feature can help maintain consistency. Adding content. Replace placeholder text with your proposal content, such as project details, goals, timelines, and pricing. Use editable text boxes to format the content neatly and ensure readability. Incorporating visuals. Use Canva's extensive library of charts, icons, and illustrations to make your proposal more engaging. Drag and drop these elements into your design to break up text and highlight key points. Sharing and exporting. Once your proposal is complete, download it as a PDF or share it directly with clients using Canva's sharing link. You can also enable comments for feedback if needed. Canva Pro simplifies the process of designing business proposals, allowing you to focus on delivering your message effectively. Have you used Canva Pro for your proposals? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next one.